Hi, this video is an introduction to the price notice organizer in Parcel Fair. If you've never used Parcel Fair before, you should watch the introduction video at parcelfair.com. But in general, Parcel Fair is a map and search tool that helps you find tax delinquent properties in Alabama. Assuming you've used it before, here's the map screen that you would recognize, and here's a sample property that we're going to look at the details for. Normally you would review, and if you're interested, you would apply online by clicking the Apply Online button, which takes you to the Alabama Department of Revenue. And you'll see this request form where you actually request the price notice. Fill out the information and submit. At this point, you're waiting to receive a price notice over email. They seem to be emailed out every Thursday morning. If you're lucky, you'll get one or two in a week. If you are extremely lucky, you might get 10 to 20 or more. But these can take time because everyone that's interested in the property that has requested a price notice in front of you has 20 days each to review the property, and it actually locks the property for any more price notices to be sent out. So it could take a while before you ever get the price notice. But regardless, every Thursday morning, if you're like me, I'm checking my inbox, hoping, crossing my fingers to see if I have any price notices waiting to be reviewed. So keeping track of these price notices can be tedious, and it's easy to lose one between the cracks or to lose track of one. You have to keep track of the expiration dates, and you have to keep track of which properties the price notices are for and which cities and locations. And it really just led us to building this feature to help you visualize and organize. The big blue button in the center of the screen goes to the price notice organizer. It's also available in the tools drop down at the top. So you'll notice my account currently has no price notices. The quickest way I want to show you to get started is to upload price notice PDFs. This is the button on the top left. Now, if you've got a large backlog of price notices, or if you have just a few, either way, this is the quickest way to get started. You can either click Browse and select as many price notices as you'd like to upload, or you can actually do what I do, just drag the files straight off of the file system and put them into this window. So you'll see the upload completed, and we have price notices now. So what just happened is I uploaded 10 PDFs. The system made a copy of those as attachments and extracted the text from each PDF to pull out the price that was quoted, the expiration date, and map it to the correct parcel. So you'll see this first price notice is mapped to this tax deed in 2012 that's in Calhoun County. We've linked to the PDF that was the source for this price notice, so you can view it if you're interested. But in general, I've got a snapshot of what that parcel is and the amount. And you'll see many of these. I have a few that are expired that I uploaded just for example. But the top three are actually active. And as you get more in the system, you might want to hide the expired notices, so you're only looking at the ones that are active to keep this a little bit cleaner. And then if you want to keep track of history with Excel files, you can always export these this way to a CSV file. And then while you're browsing these, you can also sort by different attributes. You can go by the name on the parcel, or by the price from highest to lowest, or when they expire. So now that these are in the system, we can see them in one place, but we thought it would be nice to visualize on the map where these price notices are located. So you'll notice on the markers and overlay section in the top right, the second option to show price notices will drop some markers on the screen. And these markers have numbers that represent the number of days remaining. So this 0 means the price notice has expired because there are 0 days remaining. But you'll notice this 17 and this 10 are both still active. And I can click on those and quickly view their details. Also, from the price notice organizer screen, you can click the title on the parcel and go straight to the parcel's details as well. So this last week I got to use this feature for the first time, and I had 3 price notices show up. Before I even opened the PDF, I just uploaded them into Parcel Fair and never opened the PDF once. And I immediately went to this screen and looked at all my price notices in one place. And it saved me a ton of time. I didn't have to spend time reading the PDFs or doing any other work like that. Because inside the parcel now, you have a price notice tracked right here, and the PDF is attached right below it. Let's click an active one so you can see what that looks like. So you see I have 10 days left on this, and you'll see the price notice right below it. And if I'd like to see that, I just click here. So I hope this saves you a ton of time. It's helped me out so far, and I'm looking forward to getting more price notices hopefully this week. And I wish you all the luck that you get the price notices you're waiting for also, and I hope this saves you some time. Thanks for listening.